Every once in a while, we'll get a call in online services about a grade's not showing up in the gradebook, even though the content's linked. A lot of times, the solution is pretty simple. It has to do with the calculation type. To double check it, click on Settings for the Dropbox or Assessment. Click on the Assignment tab, and then click Edit next to the assignment in the gradebook settings area, right here. In there, notice the calculation type is set to manual. The only time you'll use that is if the students are actually physically handing you a piece of paper and you have to manually grade it. If you're going to accept assignments through Angel, you need to make sure that you change it to one of these other options. Typically people use maximum score, which pulls in the highest score. Average score is used when there's multiple attempts and it averages the two together, or three or four. First submission, if they have more than one, then it's going to take the first one. If they have more than one, it's going to take their last one, and no matter which is higher, the first or the last. So typically people will choose maximum score, and then just click Save. Alright, and then click Save for the assignment as well. You can also do that from the Manage tab. So click on Manage here, then click on Gradebook here, and then click on Assignments. Here's our clinical assignment that we were editing before. You just put a check next to it, and then click Edit Selected. And then you'll see here it's set to maximum score. Now, the other thing to check is see how it's on the associated content items. As long as you have Advanced Select, the associated items has Dropbox essay template checked. If this isn't checked, and I go to click Save with maximum score, notice you'll get an error. And it's going to say that the calculation method is invalid. It's because it's not associated with any item. So that's why we need to make sure that it's set to the Dropbox that we want before we can click Save. The only other option to get out of this is to set it to manual, which is back to where we were before. Just click Save, and now it's set up. That's it. Thanks.